Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into this channel. If you are here for the first time or the second time, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell also. Today I want to show you those coins from the unboxing video which I last uploaded. So these are the coins that I got. This is the first one which I want to show you. I already have this coin, but the coin that I have is not in a good condition, so I thought, let me order this and have this in a decent condition. So this is Mahatma Gandhi here. It's written in English, in Hindi. If you can see this, it's here in Hindi and it's here in English. And then 1869 to 1948. Okay, so here, and that's how it looks like behind. Okay, there's a small mark here, but due to circulation, I think, and you can see two dots here. So it's 1 rupee in Hindi, in English. So the put the full stop here in between two different, but below that there's another dot here. I think that's the mint mark, and here India and Bharat. So that's the first coin here, and the second one that I have is this. This is 1 rupee, 1962, and you can see the sign there also. And let me just turn this. Quite beat up, but that's okay. The face is already gone here, the line face. But these coins are quite heavy, quite big. So that's it. This is the second one, and the third one is this here. Okay, here 1950, 1 rupee. Okay, it's quite nice, beautiful coin. Look at this. Okay, it's written over here, that's Government of India, and there's a star beneath the lion head. So these are the three coins I bought, and when I was opening, I didn't remember the free coins that he gave me, so I had to go back and look for it again. What are the coins that he gave me? So these are the free coins that he gave. This is one. Okay, this is King George the Fifth, Emperor, and it's in quite good condition. You know, here there's a little mark here. I think beat up, but Vinay, I got this from Vinay. He's quite a nice guy. He keeps on giving free coins every time I buy. So that's one bonus point that I keep on buying from him. You know, getting free coins, old coins. So that's nice. You know, you don't find such people very easily nowadays, especially the coin sellers who would give for free. 1935, 1 ana, India. You can read that. The structures is beautiful. This is one free coin, okay, and he gave me 3 free coins. Imagine 3 coins. See this, 1954, 1 rupee. Not 1 rupee, it's half rupee. It's nice. And think he have a lot of coins. He he's doing this business, coin selling business, I think, and he raises his college fees out of this business. So I mean, he's determined, to study. That's the greatest thing of anyone. You know, doing business only for money, that is different. But doing business for college fees, that's awesome. I'm telling you, that's awesome. This is quarter rupee, which we would say that this is 25 paise. Okay, 1954, that's also. And then this is behind, it's government of India, and then there's a star here. So let me show you all the coins that he sent to me. Okay, these are the free coins. Okay, and just zoom it out. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Let's just keep this properly. And I should put it that way. Sorry, I'm not gonna use. Oh, sorry. It's the here. Okay. Here. So these three are the free coins that he gave me, and these are the one I bought from him. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to this channel, and remember to hit the notification bell also, so that you get notified. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.